some serious hiccups.
There you go, Jace.
Nice job. Yeah.
Bless you. He did that earlier today, and each sneeze he'd go straight into the mat. It's kind of sad. What is he focused on?
I think he's looking at the little dot.
That was some pretty good tummy time.
It was.